Right, looking at the inflation topic, you're going to have to make a distinction between the different types of changes in the general price level. Rise in the general price level is called inflation. An increase in the price level but at a lower rate than before, a fall in the rate of inflation is called disinflation. While an actual fall in the general price level, which gives you a negative figure, a negative inflation, is called deflation. You'll often get a graph or a table and you're going to have to identify whether it's inflation, disinflation or deflation. So here we see the CPI going down, that's going to give us a deflation. It's going to be a negative figure. Here we're going to have a positive figure and it's going up, so we're going to call this inflation. Again, we're going to get an increase in the price level, but the rate of inflation not going to be as fast as before, so we call this disinflation. The same occurs over here. These first two time periods, they're negatives figures, so that's our deflation. Our first figure here is a positive, it's going to be inflation, another period of inflation, but this is inflation but at a lower rate than before, so we call this disinflation. When we look at the causes of inflation, there are some products that have more of an influence. Products such as eggs, milk, or vegetables don't have so much of an impact because they only affect the price of one particular market. So what we say is an increase in the price of, and we name our product, say eggs, is unlikely to cause inflation, and we state what that inflation is, an increase in the general price level, as eggs is our example. There's only one good, so it will only affect one market. It may contribute to but not cause inflation. There are products that will cause the general price level to go up because they affect more than one market. So we think of things like electricity and oil and petrol. So we'll choose oil and petrol. What happens in this case, an increase in the price of oil / petrol, or say electricity, is likely to cause inflation. Again, that's an increase in the general price level, as oil / petrol is used in the production of many goods, so therefore has a flow-on effect to many other goods and services.